now that you have your 2 rough drafts and you've gotten some feedback, you're going to select which one to draw. You're going to take your tracing paper and place it right on top of your design and trace it over exactly as you see through the tracing paper. Make sure you get every little detail. Do not skip over anything. Trace it and trace it well. You might want to use a piece of painter's tape if you feel like your tracing paper will shift as you are going over your lines. Just make sure you get every detail on your tracing paper. Next thing you are going to do, you have it traced, you are going to flip over your paper onto your block so that it is graphite side down. What you just drew is now going to be touching the block. Make sure you do this correctly. And then all you're going to do, it works best with one of these Ticonderoga pencils, but you're going to trace over your lines that you see through that paper. And the pressure that you are putting on the lines is pushing the graphite onto your block. You can also just kind of color over the areas. It's only going to push the graphite from the other side onto the block. So for my small details on the leaves there, I'm just coloring over it. I'm going to end up doing the same for the stones that are in the potted plant, just coloring over the whole thing. And you can see how it just transfers what I wanted.